Question number 1.
1. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. She don't like coffee. B. She doesn't likes coffee. C. She doesn't like coffee.
Question number 2.
2. Choose the correct plural form. A. Childs. B. Children. C. Childs.
Question number 3.
3. Fill in the blank. I dash going to the library tomorrow. A and B is CR.
Question number 4.
Which sentence uses the past tense correctly? A. He go to school yesterday. B. He went to school yesterday. C. He goes to school yesterday.
Question number 5.
Identify the adjective in this sentence. The tall man walked quickly. A. Tall B walked C quickly.
Question number 6.
7. Choose the correct sentence. A. They was happy. B. They were happy. C. They is happy.
Question number 7.
7. Which word is an adverb? A. Run. B. Quickly. C. Book.
Question number 8.
8. Fill in the blank. She has lived here 5 years. A. Since B for C from.
Question number 9.
9. Choose the correct sentence. A. I have ate my lunch. B. I have eaten my lunch. C. I has eaten my lunch.
Question number 10.
10. Which is the correct comparative form? A. More better. B. Better. C. Best.
Question number 11.
11th. Identify the noun. The students are reading books. A. Students. B. Are C. Reading.
Question number 12.
13. Choose the correct sentence. A. He don't know the answer. B. He doesn't know the answer. C. He didn't knows the answer.
Question number 13.
13. Fill in the blank. If I dash you, I would apologise. A. Was B. Were C. Am.
Question number 14.
15. Choose the correct sentence. A. She is more intelligent than her brother. B. She is most intelligent than her brother. C. She is intelligenter than her brother.
Question number 15.
Identify the pronoun. She gave me a gift. A gave B, me, C gift.
Question number 16.
Fill in the blank, the book dash on the table. A are B is C were.
Question number 17.
Choose the correct question form. A. Where you are going. B. Where are you going? C. Where going are you?
Question number 18.
Identify the verb. They play football every Sunday. A. Play B. Football. C. Sunday.
Question number 19.
19. Fill in the blank. He hasn't finished his work dash. A. Has he? B. Hasn't he? C. Did he?
Question number 20.
Which sentence is correct? A. She enjoy playing piano. B. She enjoys playing piano. C. She enjoying playing piano.
Question number 21.
Choose the correct synonym of angry. A. Furious. B. Happy. C. Calm.
Question number 22.
Fill in the blank. This is the house dash Jack built. A. Who? B. Which? C. Whom?
Question number 23.
Identify the conjunction. She was tired but kept working. A. Tired. B. But C. Working.
Question number 24.
Choose the correct sentence. A. I am used to wake up early. B. I am used to waking up early. C. I used to waking up early.
Question number 25.
Which sentence is in passive voice? A. She wrote a letter. B. A letter was written by her. C. She writes a letter.
Question number 26.
Fill in the blank. Neither of the boys dash present. A. Are B. Were C. Is.
Question number 27. Question number 28.
Which sentence is correct? A. I have much friends. B. I have many friends. C. I have lots friend.
Question number 29.
Identify the article. The cat is sleeping. A. Cat. B is C. The.
Question number 30.
Fill in the blank. She dash never been to New York. A has B, have C had.
Question number 31.
Which sentence is in future tense? A. I go tomorrow. B. I will go tomorrow. C. I going tomorrow.
Question number 32.
Identify the preposition. The dog is under the table. A. Dog. B. Under C table.
Question number 33.
Choose the correct form. He runs faster than dash. A. I be me. C. Mine.
Question number 34.
Fill in the blank. The news dash good. A. Are B is C where.
Question number 35.
Choose the correct sentence. A. She suggested me to go. B. She suggested that I go. C. She suggested I to go.
Question number 36.
Identify the antonym of brave. A. Bold. B. Cowardly. C. Strong.
Question number 37.
Fill in the blank. He is taller dash his brother. A. To B than C from.
Question number 38.
Choose the correct sentence. A. Everyone have arrived. B. Everyone has arrived. C. Everyone are arrived.
Question number 39.
Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. She said me the truth. B. She told me the truth. C. She tell me the truth.
Question number 40.
Fill in the blank. The teacher asked the students dash quiet. A. Be B. To be C being.
Question number 41.
Identify the correct sentence. A. He has completed his work yesterday. B. He completed his work yesterday. C. He completes his work yesterday.
Question number 42.
Fill in the blank. She is interested learning French. A. On B. In C. At he marsandaye.
Question number 43.
Which is a correct sentence? A. The informations are useful. B. The information is useful. C. The information are useful.
Question number 44.
Identify the verb form. He was when I called him. A. Sleep. B. Sleeping. C. Slept.
Question number 45.
Fill in the blank. They were late. They missed the bus. A. So B. Because. C. But.
Question number 46.
Choose the correct sentence. A. He is married with a doctor. B. He is married to a doctor. C. He married with a doctor.
Question number 47.
Which word is a synonym of happy? A. Joyful. B. Angry. C. Tired.
Question number 48.
Fill in the blank. Mathematics my favorite subject. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 49.
Identify the correct sentence. A. She sings good. B. She sings well. C. She sing well.
Question number 50.
Fill in the blank. By the time we arrived, the movie A. Has started. B. Had started. C. Was start.
How did you score? Tell us your score in the comments below. Share this quiz with your friends and family, challenge their English too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Talk Learner for more fun grammar quizzes every day. Let's learn together and grow together. Thanks a lot for watching. Once again, take care and have a great day or night, wherever you are. Bye bye and keep smiling.